This should come in a set. Also have the choice of, okay, here's the laundry detergent, here's the fragrance booster. The next one here should be the laundry detergent and the booster as a bundle for four. Welcome to day 5 of member appreciation for Bath and Body Works. Today's the 25th of August. So, of course, the only way to see this, got to be logged in. So, we are here on the back end here. We have gone over what was gingham and the prices and how I feel about it. We've gone over the 3-wick candle sale for $12.95. Baby, there's confirmation there. I kept guessing it yesterday and the day before, and since day 2 of this member appreciation week. Fragrances and boosters. You ever heard of the laundry booster scents, the little pellets? I was trying to tell y'all there's an expansion of laundry, the laundry products that they just launched last month in July. Let's get into it. We're going to do this first before we can get into anything else or figure out if anything else is clickable. 2 for $30, all laundry detergent and scent boosters. First of all, I didn't think they had scent boosters. Bath and Body Works laundry detergent collection, $19.95. We going in because you know we are. Why in thine world? 30, 32 ounces. We need a real life-size depiction of how large this is. Because if I'm going to spend $20 for laundry detergent, and these look real skinty, the bottle, what is the actual size of 32 ounces? Because these look mighty skinny and doesn't look like much product will be in there. That's my guess. Yeah. We got a fragrance booster. I'm only clicking in this to see if those pellets will be in there or if it's just liquid. A sweet, crisp tropical oasis adds loads of fragrance to your laundry perfumer. My words, perfumer created fine fragrances to reimagine what clean laundry smells like. Still not getting a clear depiction, so that means I'll have to do research. Thorough. Champagne toast. I'm so happy to see it's in laundry. Mahogany teak wood. Hick. It's past Father's Day. It's past any holidays I would know of to gift if you have a man in your life. Mahogany teakwood is good to try to wash his clothes in unless he's allergic to this type of stuff. Only you would know, sis. Come with a fragrance booster. I'm just happy in general to just to see that it comes in. This should come in a set. So I know that they have these listed between the laundry detergent and the fragrance booster listed separately, but they should also have the choice of, okay, here's the laundry detergent, here's the fragrance booster. Now, the next one here should be the laundry detergent and the booster as a bundle for $49.95. No, actually $35, $34.95. I'm still trying to keep the price in mind if you haven't noticed. We've got lavender vanilla, pineapple mango, palo santo, thousand wishes, white tea and sage, bergamot waters, ocean. That's from the men's collection. Sold out of the fragrance booster in champagne toast. Cozy cashmere is sold out, at least online. Pineapple mango sold out. So we have the new fragrance booster beads in beautiful fragrances. Add a little to your laundry. Okay. Add a little bit of something there. 14 fan favorite fragrances in the laundry. Well, you're gonna have to expand a little bit more, not just a different formula of the laundry. That's all I'm saying. Tis all. Let's go to the home page. Back to the home page of the member appreciation. We've gone over the early access fall stuff. I want to go in here because you just never know if they're going to, sneak and add a little bit more now. I don't see anything. Let's go back, 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 back. Okay, let's go back. This is still going to lead you to, for the luminous fragrance, it's going to still lead you to the app. We still have the option here where has you to vote on your favorite fragrances. I won't click on it this time. Let's head to the home page and see what they currently got going on outside of the member appreciation. We have a fall preview, fall glow up, all full size body, skin, and hair care. Buy 3, get 3 free. Now, real quick, only because I'm seeing it here to the far left, member appreciation days exclusive, free shipping with a $50 order. Use code members only. So that's a nice addition. So you don't have to worry about shipping. I don't know if the terms to that will include taxes for your state or region. So check that out personally. Let's go back to this all full size body, skin, and hair care. 3, buy 3, get 3. Buy 3, get 3. Hey, buy 3, get 3. Buy 3, get 3. Hey, I have a melody in my head, but then if I sing it, I might get copyright. I'm not gonna do that. We don't need no strikes. We have Coco Shea. This is Chasing Fireflies. I've heard that the scent, there's a particular scent from Bath and Body Works also that this is that repackaged. It's so I've heard allegedly. Leaves. I want to see the rest of that collection, and I certainly hope there's more. I saw this in store here. Water Ultra Hydration with hyaluronic acid. We have Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin in the Stars. Manhattan Nightcap. What is a Manhattan Nightcap? Is that a drink or man's bonnet? I'm so serious. I'm not even kidding. Like, I real deal got questions. Relaxing Midnight Sky Chamomile Patchouli. Beard and Scruff Cream. And I'm pretty sure Bath and Body Works has beard balm. Many times that I've been in the store just to admire and then share it with you all like, hey, they ain't leaving them in and I like it. Coffee and whiskey. Shea butter cleansing bar. I just love the fact that they have bar soap. That's another additional way to bathe. And so when I saw it in the men's stuff, I'm like, y'all need to follow up and duplicate the same with us for ladies. Together Weather. Champagne Toast Shampoo. We just saw the conditioner the other day, this week. Cologne Mist. Pineapple, Pink Pineapple Sunrise. I have videos about those particular products. If you'd like to see them, they're already on the channel. And then we have 1,000 Wishes Conditioner. So they're bringing hair care, skin care, and supplements to the game. So they're expanding. So now my eyes is a little side eye over here. Victoria, don't tell nobody. Secret. Day 5. We have gone over and explored what they have so far for today, August 25th, on this grand Friday. If you'd like to see more videos like this where I get you caught up on what's going on with these companies with body care, at the end of this video on either side, there will be a video for you to enjoy. Until next time, love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient, it is kind, it does not envy or boast, and it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad. and it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,